Press the engine start-stop button either to start the engine or enter the accessory ignition mode without starting the engine. Press the I button to get rid of any notifications. Press the menu button. Scroll to the vehicle information, then click the source button to enter. Enter again to get into maintenance info. Press source again to get to the reset page. Scroll down to confirm yes. Press source again to reset the maintenance minder. It should now show the oil life at 100%.